Module 1. Introduction. Every day, drivers like you are safely transporting dangerous goods across Canada. It may seem like a simple thing, drivers doing their job without incident. Transportation of dangerous goods, or TDG, is regulated to help you protect yourself, the public, and the environment from damage. Our first goal is to prevent any kind of incident with hazardous materials. This course will teach you to recognize hazards in your shipment. You will also learn how to document the shipment correctly. In the best case, knowing the TDG regulations will help you plan, transport, and deliver your shipments without incident. And if the unexpected does happen, an accident or a spilled load, TDG regulations will help you to minimize the impact and make sure you know how to correctly react to and report the incident. The 2002 Clear Language edition of the Canadian TDG Act and Regulations brought Canadian legislation in line with international standards. The legislation promotes public safety while dangerous goods are being transported within Canada. The regulations provide guidelines for safe packaging that minimizes the chance of an accidental release, labels, placards, and documentation that identify hazards, emergency procedures, including emergency response planning, reporting, and measures to ensure public safety, and appropriate training. The Clear Language regulations apply to transportation by road and rail. Equivalent regulations are in place for air and marine transportation. This course will focus on road transportation. Basic transportation of dangerous goods requirements. Anyone who is transporting a dangerous good must comply with TDG regulations. As a TDG driver, you must possess a current TDG training certificate, obtain the correct dangerous goods documentation from the shipper, store the documentation in the correct location when leaving dangerous goods, correctly display safety marks, replace lost or damaged safety marks while dangerous goods are under your responsibility. Refuse consignments of dangerous goods that do not meet TDG requirements. Under TDG regulations, you are responsible for your shipment. If you fail to follow regulations, both you and your company can be fined. Fines range from $200 up to a maximum of $100,000. And you could receive up to 2 years in prison. You may also be liable for damages under civil litigation. By the end of this course, you should feel confident that you can safely and securely transport dangerous goods.